All right, my people, now welcome back. As una dey see this picture for this video, na Bobrisky una dey see, so make una assist from Bobrisky. That's how we be say he still be boy and he just dey build himself. Make una just take a look. Una know say na this channel we dey bring on as the matter dey go. May na carefully listen to me, oh, and if una never follow us, do it to follow us. Make you also share the video, because wetin una no sabi for this guy wey dey build himself as a woman, una go sabi everything. This one na the channel wey we say we dey bring on as the matter dey go. Take a look at Bobrisky face now. See this face, and the one wey be say we will show una later. Bobrisky normal na based on the fact say person just look and say make we favor this person, and the way she dey do the thing and the way she be say he dey always do like girl. Now the woman come look and come to say, hey, you go come, this the way you dey do, if you make money from am. Now so Bobrisky can't start to dey dress like woman. He can't even dey disgrace abi na how I go put am, come dey show many people for the internet say him be woman, say he don't go change anything. He no change anything, my people. Make una take a look. If una look the video well, because recently he don't go change bum. He don't go do bum. He first do breast. He thought say he do breast, he can't go do bum. Make una see this guy as he take black like this now, so he take turn yellow. This one na power of waiting, power of money. They say no, money stop waiting, stop nonsense. I bet my people, make I also hear your opinion for the comment section. If you watch the video where Bobrisky go visit him papa, you go observe say Bobrisky dey carry cloth up based on the fact say he no want make people know say him be man. The breast wey say he go do, nobody see breast. So he cut us say the hand wey he take pack the cloth, say na that hand na he don cover the breast wey we no take see am. My people, na this channel we dey bring una so dey go. Anything we will talk for you, make na just take am and make una share the video so that you go dey see am, and every other person wey be say they just want copy am based on the money. Not the way Nigerian guys no fit do for money. Example na our brother wey be brother Bobrisky, abi na sister Bobrisky, anyone wanna fit call am. My people, abeg, this one no be violent channel. We know they do violence, but we dey make una know the two way go. When this guy go greet him papa, he just dress like man, because the man in a no nonsense person. The man they always they doing things clear, and he buy car for him papa, and the car and the cake, everything. He know this guy, so when he go meet him, after he can't come back, now he just start to the transformation just take place. Make una take look now. When you go do the yash, we say we want show now for this channel. This one na Bobrisky na the siso where he dress like woman, and everything don't they resemble woman. Make una see the way he go do yash. Make una watch this video. Make una tell me wetin una see for this video, because the video just be like say Bobrisky he just newly go do the yansh. Make una see why he use wrapper cover the front. If for show us now, abi wetin you talk, make you put am for the comment section. Make una see as Bobrisky transform from being a man to woman. Now this channel will dey make una see am now. If una look am well, you see, if we even see where they take give am injection, I bet make una take time watch this video and make una share una own opinion for the comment section. Make una feel say Bobrisky she na man abi na woman, because based on wetin me I see, me I feel say he still be man. If una look the hand wey be like Ikpo Obi, see the hand na like person wey just go fight Bruce Lee. But then no be me talk am. I beg my people, make una just enjoy this one. We love to see you on our next one. Bye for now. Good morning.